Welcome to my 5-minute face series. Welcome to my 5-minute face series. Today we're doing the non-toxic makeup look, the clean beauty look. I feel like this is my favorite makeup look that I try to do all the time, like the no makeup wears video. That one did really well. If you didn't watch that video, I will link it above. I just wanted to show you guys an updated, really fast and condensed version of a no makeup look because again, it's my specialty. I go to it every single day and I'm always playing with different clean products to figure out the best routine. So this is it. Let's start with the skin prep. You guys already know how much I love a milk, so this is the Ilia face-based milk. So we're going to be starting with a good heaping bit of that. And I love this one so much specifically because it soaks into the skin. Milks don't sit on top, but they plump it up and it just gives you that perfect amount of skincare underneath your makeup, because sometimes, like I've said before, if you have too many serums and too many thick products, it can pill and make your makeup separate. So if that happens to you, you need to be using a milk. And that's the other thing. If we only have 5 minutes, we don't want a product that takes forever to soak in. One of my favorite SPFs, this is the Well People SPF 34. It's a mineral SPF. It soaks in, it doesn't sit on top, and the white cast goes away almost immediately. It's very serum-like too, so if you have oily skin, it's perfect for you. Now that our skin is nice and plump, we're gonna move on to our tint. And for the base, I'm gonna be using Typology Serum in color Fair 1. In the summertime, I kind of mix 1 and 2 together for my perfect match. And for ease, the best tool in the shed is just use your fingers. And remember that this is skincare, so it kind of doubles down as more of your skin base, but then it does lightly even out your complexion. And I also like to use my fingers because it really heats up the product and it helps it melt in, especially when it's such a lightweight serum like this. And feel free to use a brush to buff that in if you want. And remember, I always spend the most time on skin prep. I don't ever really spend time on like the eyes or anything too much. It's like once you get this part done, everything else just goes so quickly. For touching up my skin and under my eyes, the Merit stick, and I'm in color Bisque. And I really just use that under my eyes and maybe a little bit here, but I don't need much. Super easy dual-ended brush from It Cosmetics. And I just buff it in and then I'll go in with my ring finger and just smooth out those lines. And I love that I can just pack this away in my bag. It's so small and compact and do touch-ups throughout the day in case anything moves or shifts, but honestly, with this routine, it shouldn't go anywhere. Bonus step, but because I'm pale and I just wanna bronze up my skin, I'm gonna do this little contour moment, and then I use my Makeup by Mario F4 brush, a little on the brows. And whenever I don't do anything to deepen up my skin tone, it's just, I feel I'm like so fair, I need it. Next, I'm gonna use the Typology powder. Honestly, just under my eyes and in my smile lines. For blush today, we're using Merit, and this is in color Rogue. I always love the way that red reads on the skin. It just looks so lifelike. Pinks are sometimes too pink and peaches are sometimes too peach, but reds just hit every single time. What's that saying to like not judge a book by its cover? I feel like a lot of people can get away without doing this and you don't need to. So just a mini brow fill, 10 seconds per side. And my go-to, because it's so fast and easy to use and really hard to mess up, is this brow pop from Kosas, and I'm in color Taupe. Also from Kosas, their clear brow gel. This is really good if you just want a really light hold. Lip liner is gonna be color Check Me Out from Tower 28. On a no makeup day, I just like a lip color that really matches, and then I use my ring finger and just soften that line. A little lash curl because you know me. If I already had dark eyelashes, I would not do this step, but I don't, so I'm going to. This is the Westman Atelier mascara in color Le Brun. It's the lightest brown mascara that I've ever used. And then this is gonna go in my purse. It's the Merit lip oil in color Jet. I am literally almost out of this. I love it so much. And that's the look. She's chic, elevated, understated, all the things. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to let me know down in the description if you have any requests or suggestions or things you would like to see from my 5-minute series. And I'll see you guys in the next video.